Alright, I gotta make sure that we're Gucci. Zoom. Um, invite. Copy invite link. Send it to Nick Stowe here. And then, yo, I don't even know if we're live or something, bro. So if we are live, oh yeah, there we go, baby. Why does it say YouTube Kids? What is this BS, bro? Gang. Let's see. Settings. Yo, I know y'all are trying to type in the chat. But I don't want to restart the stream again. Let's see if I can't change it. Oh man, oh man. Let's see. I still have this cell stop here, by the way. So Uncle Scalp, if you're watching, bro, I sent you the Zoom link. Hop in here, bro. I'm quaking by myself. Just because I'm trying to get all this figured out at once. OBS. Advanced. Alright, that's crazy. Let me... Yo.
Yo, Sam,
Yo, who's in here?
what up? I think just me. Just
Yo,
me and
I'm
you.
trying to get the chat to work, bro. For whatever reason, it has it in YouTube Kids mode.
Yeah, I don't know what that is because I when I went on the YouTube, I tried, going onto the chat and I couldn't. Uh, I'm not sure exactly what like to do there.
I don't know, bro.
So it says like kids mode.
Yeah, if you look at the
Oh, yeah, made for I say it says turned off for content made for kids. How the hell do you turn it off?
I
What the
don't
hell?
know. I'm trying to figure it out, bro. But like I can't like put up the
Damn.
I got an email. It says
Kids mode chat.
Bro, Discord is quaking
I
right
need
now.
parental
Yeah.
Discord quaking? Oh
Discord's
man.
like, what do we do?
Shaking.
What do we do? What do we do?
Chat. So
Wait, I'm trying to see. I'm trying to figure it out.
I'm not in just yet, but I still have my cell stop activated. Or not activated, but it's active. So, you know what? This is what we're just gonna do.
Wait, are we on the same channel live?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Sources add source. Boom.
All
Tell
right,
me
I'm
if
on
that
it now.
works. Can you see my terminal?
Yeah, we see it.
Alrighty, cool. So at least you guys can see my terminal, but yeah, so this is gonna be the trade. Same deal, same thing. I still got my sell stop in. My stop loss will be this current 1 hour high, 1897 point. Let me just type it in, get it in there. Boom. Yeah, I can see you guys' messages in the Discord, bro. I don't know what the dealio is. Here, one more thing I need to do. Maybe this will help some of you. Can you hear the music?
Yeah, Sam, when you do edit, do that? Like, could you edit the stream, like, and then go to the live chat? You know what I'm talking about?
No, all I did was hit start stream. Can you see this
Oh, okay.
right here? I just hit start stream.
Okay.
I'm not exactly sure. Let me bring you guys up here too so they can see. How do you do that? I'm so new to Zoom. I had to make a Zoom account too before I even sent the link.
Yo. Yeah.
We're alright. Do you have the heart pumping sound? Oh, I have all the sounds. This is gonna be so funny watching this back because there's gonna be like no chat replays. Everyone's gonna be like, yo, I could keep it like this.
Right.
What up, gang? It'll have to do for
You
now.
can't put the live chat up.
Yeah, I don't.
Oh, so like on the screen for the overlay, you mean? So the
Nah, on the YouTube. On like that channel.
yeah, no, I don't know why it says that it's in kids mode, and I might have to restart the stream again.
30 minutes just past the previous
Yeah,
30.
I think I'm gonna delete this here, guys, because this stop loss is getting way too big, anyways.
Yeah, I'm deleting
This is a 53
Yeah.
pip stop loss at this point. So now we just wait on it.
That's...
But if we go back to the chart for everyone that's here, there's a high probability. Alright, how do you use zoom annotation tools? Tomorrow this will be a breeze, guys. This will be a breeze.
Definitely. Bro, definitely tomorrow will be better. All right, boys. Well, then I'll talk to you guys tomorrow or later.
Alrighty, John. Take
See you
it
tomorrow,
easy.
John.
Pick up our boy.
Peace, boys. Sir, you too. Yes, sir. Pick up Nick.
Yeah, you gotta go get the boy.
All right, peace, boys. Peace out.
Do it, bro.
Peace, peace.
Yeah.
Alright, so I can't
Peace.
get this. Alright, I mean, I probably could figure it out how to do the zoom annotations, but I'm gonna draw the candles old school style. So you're gonna see how man Sam draws his candles up. So if we're gonna keep driving up like this on gold here, if you look left, boom. It's actually better on a 30-minute. So we had this level here that Nick was talking about earlier. Here, you can see rejections here, here, and then you also have this resistance as well formed. So there's this resistance, and then there was this one here. If we can get some sort of a resistance form, so let's say this candle drives up, does its thing here, and then on the next candle at 10 a.m. we can either get like a fake out and close back down below, and then maybe, just maybe, this will be a nice top wick for this 4-hour candle. And then yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see how the 1 hour closes as well. But so far we're just waiting.
You're probably coming in at like 10:30.
Bro, turn on your cam and turn up the chat on YouTube. I wish I could. Here, actually, yeah, I can show my camera. Ooh. Wait, what do I gotta do? There we go. Now you guys can see me. Augie is calling me. It was also not March 30th. That's when I made this overlay. This was gonna be the overlay for the stream, guys.
Well, here's Discord. Boodoo, 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 boodoo. Who got better spread?
Ooh, right click scalp's name and pin. Can you guys see him now? Can you see the boy? Oh, they definitely could have seen you there. I actually just put you full screen. Yeah.
Wait, how come the live stream is disabled for the YouTube?
The
Is there a
chat?
reason? Yeah,
I don't know. It says it's in kids mode. YouTube Kids.
kids mode.
Yeah, like, do you see my
What is that?
I have no idea, bro. I have no idea.
Click I'm a parent.
Yeah, I did all that, and then it wants me to put in my password. And all. Actually, I probably... Let me just drag it onto a different screen.
Yeah, do that.
I'm parent. Now you can sign in. Create a profile for each kid. I've never even had this problem before, bro.
Because we have such a huge wick, will it be better to enter on the flip or just wait for a closure? We're probably gonna wait for a closure and see if something happens around 10:30. Right now, stops would be pretty huge to enter on a flip.
If you want to,
We might get an onion. So it's looking like might happen.
the onion would be money.
We might get an onion.
Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I had no idea that it was going to do all this. I thought we were all good to go. Me and Nick hopped onto a Zoom yesterday, set everything all up, and of course, it wants to do this YouTube Kids BS. I have no idea what this is. And then, that little box you see underneath my camera would be the on-screen chat. But let me make sure, because it is also not...
You could throw on some tunes.
I have some on.
Oh, I can't hear it.
What?
Yeah, I can't hear it.
They said they can hear it in the Discord.
Oh, they can?
Yeah. Or at least they
Maybe
said
it's
they
just
do. Maybe
maybe
they're
it's just
capping.
maybe it's just us on Zoom. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe you can't
I
hear
don't
it on
need
the
to I don't
Zoom.
need to hear it. If they could hear it, I don't need to hear it. I'm good. Oh, they hear it. Alright, so they're good.
Alright.
Maybe they're lying.
Need to select the last option, restart the stream. See, well, that's also an issue. I don't have the login for the YouTube channel. I only have, like the key. So all I can do is start and stop the stream. I can't go in and change any of the settings for the stream. Sam, US 30? Let's look at 30. Yeah, let's see what the bias
30.
is. So I honestly, at this point, I do like buys on US 30 on this next 1 hour candle. As you can see on the daily, we got ourselves a little bit of a celery play. We're breaking the highs of the previous daily candle. If you flip back to the 4 hour, massive rejection wick on the bottom. We're driving up here. Go to the 1 hour time frame. This is where I would have my zone, right here. So if you can get a closure above 33,990 in the next minute and a half, yeah, US 30 buys should be decent. They should be good. But yeah, I would just wait for that 1 hour closure above. One good thing, I can hear you clearly. Alright, cool. Yeah, the sell is not active anymore. I deleted the sell stops for gold. The stop loss became way too much. We're just gonna wait for this next 30-minute candle to see if we can form an onion. So if we could form an onion and close below this, preferably 1896, then yeah, we should be good. And then the next candle that we would enter on would be this one coming down, like so. We can hear music and you guys, just no chat. Okay, yeah. But this is what we're gonna be waiting for gold. If we get it, cool. If we get it, if we don't get it, cool. Keep clicking on this, bro. Come on, gang. I want to show Uncle Scout. Let me see if I can incorporate you into the You can enable drawing mode too, by the way, so you don't always have to click on the tools. Yeah, like on TradingView. I know. I just got. Share your screen in Zoom, and then you can annotate. Oh.
Alright, the new 30 just opened. What are we gonna do?
There we go. Yeah, new 30-minute candle. Let's wait for that. Let's wait to see if we can get a resistance form. Let's see what US 30 did. Alright, so US 30 did close above. Made us a little bottom wick. Okay, wait for this thing to make a bottom wick, and then once it breaks the highs, if that's your trade, that's your trade. I do like this setup, personally. I think it will be good. Let's do a fresh little. Make sure all my zones and that are good. Yeah, decent. But this is your first target up here for US 30, because if you look left, clean, all within this area. Clean traffic.
Possible no trade day.
Yeah, quite possible. Hey yo, I could toss the monthly record up too.
Yeah, throw that up there.
What's that?
Throw that up again. Put that up there, the monthly record.
Yeah, I can just, all I gotta do is type it in. What are we at for wins? We've had, what, 1 loss. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 wins, 1 break even, 1 loss. Not bad, guys, not bad. What are you guys saying? There we go. See if I can't get Uncle Scalp up here for y'all to see too. Music is a bit loud. Alright, I can't turn it down. I was gonna say it kinda is. There we go. No, I did close the sell stop. Trust me. Trust me. I'm pretty sure you could have watched me do it too. Bought a TFT account today. Hey, let's go, Donnell. Yeah, you got this.
TFT has great promotions. They always got good deals going on.
Yeah, so that's basically what if this 30-minute candle respects the support resistance zone and closes below, would this be considered an onion? Yes. That's what we're waiting for right now. We want to see this give us a nice bearish candle here on this 30-minute. And then yeah, be an onion. GJ is the ugliest pair. I told Nasty last night, I was like, I'll probably never trade it again. Like, look at this. This is wash, bro.
That's crazy.
It don't hit like it used to. Like, I do think GJ wants to continue up here, but just off of this 4-hour, you can see bullish, broke the lows, and now it's driving up, filling this wick. But I don't know, that daily bias is still bearish.
I feel like it's the best in London.
Yeah. I don't know, even then, like, sometimes when I look at it, though, it's like this was today's London session. Garbage. Yeah, like here, this is like GJ London session today. You get a candle that finally closed above. Still wouldn't have done anything though, just because of the daily bias still being bearish. The next candle has no top wick, drives up, and then the next one melts the whole ways back to the bottom of the previous range. Like, what is that price action?
Crazy. I'll probably stay on to like 11:30 today.
Yeah, I'll stay at like 10:30, 11. We'll see. If we don't get a good closure at 11, that'll probably definitely just be where I call it at. See how the daily's looking. Gang, tomorrow, if we don't get a trade today, it's alright. Look at where we're closing at on this daily time frame, right? I'm just gonna remove all these so you can look at the pure price action. So look at this. This yesterday's daily candle tapped into this support to our immediate left. And then rejected, or not rejected, but pulled back. If this candle right here that we're trading on right now can close above or below this to the left, look at all that clean traffic we got moving back down here. So just wait on it. There's still a chance we get a trade today, but just letting you know for future reference, you know what I mean? I can't even change the title of the stream. It just says time to eat trading live stream. I see.
Wiggins.
Do you guys want to see the overlay, or you just want to see the whole shebang I got going on? Now you can see scalp. You guys rather see scalp? I think you'd rather see scalp instead of me. You could just hear me. Then turn my zoom camera on. I gotta figure out how to do that, bro. Top left. It ain't working.
Alright.
It ain't working. Oh wait.
Yeah, I don't know. This looks like it's reversing, man.
Yeah, if it closes back up within this range, it's still gonna need to wait. So like this is what would happen here is I'll delete this and do this. Put on my little magnets. There's still a chance, even if we close up in this range, for a fake out position.
Yeah. If it closes in that range, I'm 100% not taking buys. It's definitely not happening.
Because
not.
this is still range 1. For range
Definitely
2
not,
buys,
yeah. It would have to close above 1912 for me to take a buy.
See? We got it on lock.
Got it on lock.
Great minds think alike. Yeah, it looks a little cleaner now that I've drawn this up. So the reason why I just kind of moved this zone is because now we've drove down into here, made the support. This is the most recent price action. Look at that. Dodged a bullet, gang.
Oh, yeah.
Whoever was asking about taking it at the flip, I really hope you did not. We're about
Yeah, we
4
said
pips
not
from
to.
now.
Nick did say not to.
Nick said not to, so yeah, I didn't even say it. Nick said not to.
Honestly, I usually always just do the wick. I barely do the flip. I just feel like the wick is just extra safe.
Yeah, it depends how long it is. And depends on like.
Well, yeah, it depends. Right, it depends how long
yeah.
the wick is, right?
I actually took a loss on US 30 because I didn't wait for that earlier this month
But
or
all the
last
way
month.
back up in this range one. Damn.
Yeah. Now it's tapping into the 4-hour low resistance.
Yeah. Might be a no trade day. It might be a no trade day.
Yeah, here, look, this is the loss I took on US 30. I record my losses, gang. I don't know why I can't zoom in, but
When was this?
this was June 6th, so this was like a
6th.
whole month ago. But yeah,
So you went to go and
I took it on the flip. Yeah, made a nice top wick, took it on the flip, and then boom, stopped me out. It actually did end up going in the direction, but
What time did you enter at?
10 a.m.
10. And then it just, wow, just
Yeah, so you had that 1-hour candle close below and
Sheesh.
everything. Yeah, no, it's alright though. Happens sometimes.
Yeah, I think like, like Nick said it this morning. He said you don't see us really trading US 30 when everyone's telling us to look at it. Like we've been looking at it, but we're not taking trades because you have to really analyze it and look at it every day and see how that pair moves.
Yeah.
They all have their own like characteristics and they all move a certain way at certain times, so it's better to get familiar with them than to just take a random trade with them.
People freaking out with the new substitute teacher. Wait for 30 minutes, done for the day. You have interested in range 2 buys above this support. So like I like the range 2 buys above 1912 because on the 1 hour, and like I'd want to wait for like probably a 1 hour closure, like because then you have this clean traffic within here to work with. So then you have this is the range we started in, broken to range 1. These aren't my pips, and then range 2.
Yeah, unless there's a closure in a 1912 area, nothing's happening.
Yeah,
we're just
because
waiting.
This is only like a 20 pip range right here.
Yeah,
I'll give that up
right.
for the cleaner like 30 something pip range.
Yeah.
And then like by that time we'll have broken previous 4-hour highs. Yeah.
Right now, nothing, Chad. There's nothing going on right now.
Just wait on it. I wouldn't be surprised if this just kind of taps into here to. This channel has no top wick. Or I don't know if it would just tap into here and reverse, but we'll see. Uh-oh. I'm running out of time on Zoom. My free account ain't good enough. It's got a timer at the top, bro.
If I have the upgraded account, would we be able to use mine?
Yeah, you probably just have to start the meeting.
Alright, so I'll just do that. And then you could like edit it to go onto the channel.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure all I'd have to do is just like join. Let's see.
San Capro, está un poco nervioso.
No, I'm not nervous. Why would I be nervous? There's nothing even going on. The YouTube Kids guy has some advice to y'all those burning accounts. Yeah, YouTube Kids, bro. Está un poco nervioso. No. Chat Quake went to substitute teacher. What do I think about 24-hour stream today? Now we gotta hit 10,000, bro. 10K.
Yeah, not today. Got things to do today.
Orange folder news that came out. I'll check it out in a second. I seen someone on here wants me to look at NAS. Unique. Let me look at NAS. Oh. Alright, so Nasdaq. So if we start with the daily time frame, can see yesterday we closed. Well, let's start with the weekly. Start with the monthly. So the monthly time frame, we are bullish, but we are running into this current resistance here on the left hand side. You can see right here. So then if you drop to the weekly time frame, boom, resistance here, support here. Whoops. Daily time frame, same deal. We got support here, and then I would make my resistance right here on the daily for Nas, and then go to the 4 hour. So let's look at the ranges real quick. Alright, that should be enough to work with. 1 hour. So for Nasdaq, so we went from this range. This is a range 1. Closure below, this would be range 2. So if you could get a closure below for Nasdaq, the range 2 sales should definitely play out for you. And what also gives you higher confluence to that is that if we close below, we will be breaking previous daily candle lows. And so then you have that like super solid confirmation, and then you know, you got the range 2 plus breaking previous daily candle wicks. So you know how like Nick says, where was the day we took the buys on gold, and it was because we broke previous candle highs even though the previous candle was bearish. So like this candle, for example, this one was bearish on the daily, right? But then we came up and started breaking the highs. Yeah. Let's see here though. Never tapped into that candle with no top wick. Interesting. 15 minute, given a little resistance. I'll never take a trade off the 15 though. So if this thing, well, I don't want to say I'll never take a trade off the 15, but I'd much rather wait for the 30 minute. And the reason for that is because the 15 yesterday was a perfect example of why. Where was that trade that ended up going crazy? It popped down and then flipped up and started driving up bullish. It would have been Wednesday at, yeah, I believe it was this candle. So like yesterday we had, see if I can't get the boxes like Nick Sue got. Yeah, so it's like boom, this candle closed below here. It made a little top wick and then came down, broke the lows, and then instantly flipped. But I don't know, like yesterday's trade was, or if you would have taken that trade, you know, you would have had to been in and out. The 30 minutes more like the higher time frame, so it's gonna want to move with the higher time frame as well. I just like, guys, like, just stick away from the 5 and the 15 as much as you can. That's like some good advice. Just practice looking at the 30 and the 1 hour, you know, because you're gonna get your more solid moves off of those time frames anyways. The 15 minute and the 5 minute, I just say are weak confirmation. They can work, but they're weaker confirmation. Because this is what could happen here. You got a bullish 30-minute candle, you got a bullish 1 hour candle so far, and the previous ones were also bullish, right? So if you sell, like if this 15 prints bearish, it could drive down and then flip the next one to bullish, because the next 30-minute candle could just be it making its bullish candle. It could just be driving down, make a bottom wick, and then boom, flip, come up like that. So that's why I won't take a fake out or a onion off this 15. Rather just wait. Just wait on it. Wait for what I want to see. Wait for what I'm confident with.
Yeah.
Core PCE tomorrow, usually a banger, and you're not at work. Let's go, Disturb. Yeah, so let's look at the what we got going on with the news tomorrow. Am I able to move this thing? I can't even see my Oh yeah. Let's put it down here. Forex news. Oh yeah, someone else said there was orange folder news. Yeah, pending home sales. I'd like to think that that was not why gold started flying up. I don't think that that did it. I think it was just more or less 4-hour candle. Because now look at it, we still haven't broken the previous one's highs, so I don't know, 2.5 hours for this thing to go. There's a good chance that it could still come down. You know, we can't say it's gonna keep flying until it breaks the highs. But yeah, so I don't know. Unemployment came out good. Tomorrow we got core PCE price index, 830. Is this a change in price of goods and services? What are they expecting? So pretty average forecast. Like, you know, so this is the way I'm looking at this. They forecast about 0.3, 0.4 every time, and then I don't know, they're usually right on the money or it's not too far off for this one. The main news events that I'm always looking out for are like PPI, CPI, NFP, ADP, NFP. Those are really your big ones. And then unemployment lately has been a hot topic as well because of the rate hikes and the monetary tightening of the monetary policy. Thanks, you're welcome, you're welcome. I'm only looking for a sales day, then done. Can you explain range 2 concept, please? Yes, sir. Or ma'am. Kiko FX. Let's look at this. US 30 for the W? Yeah, who took US 30? Beautiful. Coming up on full target. What, you're up about 40 points right now? Nice, nice. Up almost 70 at one point. Ooh, yeah, not that long ago either. On this 5-minute candle right now, it did it. Cool. Yeah, so that play was money there. We'll get US 30 in here soon, guys. Me personally, I've been watching it for a good while. I like US 30 more than I like Nasdaq. I know some people prefer Nas over US 30, but I don't know, bro. Like, I don't like to be that guy who sits there and is like, oh, it's manipulated, it's manipulated, it's manipulated. But I just find it super weird that, like, especially over the last couple of weeks, Nasdaq been just rallying, but then US 30 is doing nothing. So I don't know. There's less than a minute left. Yo, so if you do start a new Zoom, just send the link over to me, and then I'll just join it, cause it's just me and you anyways.
All right.
And there it goes. Alright. Yeah, we'll get a Wout back in here. But for now, boom. There we go. Look at that, guys. I'm Nick Stewart. I'm sitting here trying to look at the chat. There we go. Gosh, in the man. Yup. Yes, 30 is wow. Like the stream, guys. Yup, yup, yup. Did not take US 30, not my pips. No problem. Jay Moore got US 30. Took it but got stopped out in the pullback at break even. Please mention where to buy and where to sell. Yeah, if we end up taking a trade, then oh, I seen that. Uncle almost sent the link in the wrong spot. Yeah, hold on, I might have to move this over here so that way. Ooh, I just seen this message, Future FX. I'm not sure if you're here. Miss that saw, what's the next back century? Oh yeah, there we go. Yo.
All right, we're good.
There we go. I have no idea how Nick does that, where he makes a... I don't care. You can be nice and big on the screen.
You don't know how to make it for the both of us?
It says if I start my video, but... I think it says it... Oh yeah, failed to start video. Please select another video camera in the settings. It's because I got it connected to the stream software. They know what I look like. Just look at you.
Front center.
I might be able to just like slap myself up here actually. Yo, there we go.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
All right. 10:30 is closing. It's looking like nothing's gonna happen today, honestly. We're closing back in range 1.
Closing back into the range, closing right at this oh, we got a minute or so. Yeah, money though, if you guys got the US 30. Why is it not keeping you up here, bro? View. Hide self view. Show self view. I don't know, bro. Yeah, I seen you almost sent the link in the one chat. Okay, yeah, let's do the range too. If we don't get a trade, we can blame you. The YouTube guy doesn't know what he's doing. Yeah.
Huh.
Kiko FX, man. Yeah, okay. Share screen to pin Uncle Scalp. Oh. I mean, I have him pinned, but it's like when I click off onto the chart, it goes away. So let's do range too. So let's find somewhere on the chart where... Actually, we'll just do it like this. And I'll just go like this. So let's say you're in an uptrend. Nick also has a YouTube video about this, so and he's explained it plenty of times. So let's say we're in an uptrend, you know, we're driving up bullish, and boom, next candle creates some resistance. You like my little boxes that I used to draw though? They're just trading view. Anyways, so you boom, you got your first range here. And let's say that the daily bias is bearish, right? So let's say that there was a resistance here. Boom, candle closed above, drove up, and then so you couldn't do anything on this candle, right? But then we'll say next candle comes down, bearish, boom, like this, and then the next candle goes like this, bullish, bullish, there we go, and then you create that support. So if we're bearish and we're supposed to be driving down, right? If we break above, and so it's a little hard to see if you don't have like all the candles on the chart, at least for me to like draw it up.
You're probably better off using just like today's example.
Yeah, let's just look at today's example, but let's look at this for gold. So this is the way I see range 2, range 1, range 2, etc. We started in this range. We move up into the next range, that's range 1. I'm gonna delete that just because. Okay, so we started in this range. This is now range 1. If we close above this range, this is now range 2. It's where the way that I see it is like it's where the candle starts the move and starts driving from. So this is just range 1, range 2. So for example, go ahead if you want to say something.
Yeah, if we're bearish, like today we started bearish on the day, right? So we're looking for sells. So range 2 means like it's an extra confirmation that we can get into buys, right? If it's against the daily bias, right? So we started off with sells today because our bias was bearish. And we have to break into range 2 in order to give us a confirmation that buys are valid. Like we don't want to get into buys in range 1 because it could be a fake out. We want to avoid.
Yeah.
Range 2 is all about avoiding fake outs against the daily bias. That's what a range 2 is.
Can you explain where we can sell with ranges in gold? Yeah. Thanks for hopping on and taking. Oh, I thought you said you were gonna hop on and take over the stream. Yeah, no problem. Tomorrow, it's gonna be the same thing. But I'm gonna actually have the chat working. So if you wanted to sell gold today, I'd wait for closures back below 1903. So
Exactly.
because then this candle driving back up in here, since this is a range 1, this could be fake out buys. Like if you were to buy on this candle for whatever reason.
Right.
But if we come and close back below,
There's potential for good
you have
sells
clean traffic. Yeah, you got that clean traffic, and plus the 4-hour candle. Previous one was bearish. This thing could keep driving down. It's got 2.5 hours to do it, and yeah. But here. We'll put this here. And this is
So the fact that we didn't break out of range 1 is an extra confirmation that the bias probably isn't going to flip to buys.
right.
We're either going to go into sells or it's going to consolidate.
Just wait on it.
How to
Yeah.
decide where the first range is.
How to decide where the first range is. So just like look at where we started at. So like starts here. This so like here, let's do the zones. This actually helps me even too. Looking at this, so you got green zone. You got purple zone. And then like honestly we'll just include this as purple zone as well. I mean I wouldn't even trade this range, but we'll just say that this is the, and then you got all the way up here is, we'll just say, what color you want? Blue zone.
You do green money. So it's like a good zone.
I got green. Green is for the, yeah. Well, hold on. But anyways, wait. So what was the? How to decide where the first range is? So this depends on the trend.
Yeah, that's when we mock up our charts in the morning. Like that's how we decide.
Yeah. So this is a range. If we're gonna close back within here, then this is now where we are trading at, right? I know Nick had used that example with like the rooms. You're breaking into one room, and like this is now where you're at. I'm not exactly sure how he uses that and
Well, he said like when price breaks into that green zone from the purple zone, that means that it's ready to leave the purple zone and stay in the green zone.
yeah.
And then same thing with that blue zone up top. So the purple zone would be a no trade zone.
Correct. Yeah, so this is our red zone. Let me make this red. This is all red zone in here. Oh, my zoom is in the way. Wait. Yeah, I'll put it down here. We're going on the left. Now you guys can see the numbers. Sorry about that. Thank you for letting me know, futures. Yeah, but I don't know. I'll probably wait here for this next 30-minute candle. If it doesn't close below, then I'm done. That's all I want to see at this point. Hey, yo, shout out to Shad, yo. You get, hello VIP trader. You're eligible for the VIP program for my Forex funds. Yo, let's go. So what is that? 90% profit split, ability to withdraw at any time. Other surprises. Yo, that's awesome, yo. W's for Shad. You said that when you come in the morning, you mark up the range in which price is at the moment. What about if price in London already formed range 1 and when NY open, we have range 2? What about in this case? So, think about it like this.
When we mark up the charts in the morning, we just do it. We mark up support and resistance at the nearest levels, the most recent levels.
But it's like I'm not really thinking about like what happened in London, what happened in Asian. It's just more or less like draw up the ranges, and then it's like, okay, where are we at that current time? So boom, we're in this range here, and then you have range 2 up here, and then range 1 down here. So like this is the way I see it though, is because like we drove the whole ways down into here. This was a range. Range 1 is within here, and then this is range 2. I'm like the worst person to honestly ask about this, because I just learned range 1 and range 2 this year from Nick not that long ago. I'm good at it, I understand it, but explaining it is a difficult thing for me.
Kiko, you should go back and watch the live streams that are pre-recorded on YouTube, because that's the first thing that Nick does every single stream is mark up the ranges. So that's, I feel like, the best way you should learn. Yeah, it's just 100%. Go watch all those videos.
Yeah,
it's the first thing he does in the morning.
Yeah, and he breaks it down every day too, because someone always asks. I'm not trying to like slander you or nothing, but if you want the best explanation possible, go watch Nick's video 100%.
Yeah, watch Nick's video. Just make that a priority.
Yeah, it's just go do that. It's gonna save you time, and I'm not gonna confuse you or anything. How do we consider the top and bottom wick? How many pips or points? So that's just like a thing based off of experience. Like for example, it's never gonna be the same amount of pips like every single time. Like I'm not gonna look at this and be like, oh, that's a 10 pip bottom wick, that's good enough, versus like, oh, that's a 30 pip bottom wick, that's good enough, because sometimes the volume in the market is different. I've seen candles way back in February of last year where you got 50 plus pip candles on 1 hour time frames, and like just look at the bottom wick of this 1 hour candle. This bottom wick is 70 pips, 77 pips. This bottom wick before was 86. So it's just dependent on what the volume is at the time. But once you see enough candles, then like me personally, this is not a bottom wick on this candle. It's just like a little nub. But usually it's like, you know, you want to be able to see it. If you want me to really give you a number, That's tough because I can't.
Wait, now we'll probably call it at 11.
Yeah, if I don't, yeah, like I said, if we don't get this 30-minute candle to close back below here, I'm done for the day. And then like we were saying earlier, tomorrow will be beautiful. We'll have
Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be
that
good.
daily candle closure. It'll really let us know what we're gonna do. Yeah. So far, nothing though. Nick goes, there's your 4-hour top wick. So tomorrow we're gonna start same time as always, 6:45 Eastern, baby. 6:45 Eastern. Just sell now for YouTube chat to get activated. Nah. Hey, gang, if you guys want to sell, go for it. But I don't think any of you are looking at this right now. I'd hope and be like, sell. There's just no setup. There ain't even any bearish candles here yet. Just wait on it.
Yeah. Just wait on it.
Hold on, I'm about to get the
Just wait on it.
I have all the soundboard sounds actually on my PC.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Do a little trolling.
We like to troll.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Bruce Buffer?
It's time!
It's not time though.
Bruh. Stop the cap.
The fine boom goes crazy. Yeah, it's not time. It's not time. Just wait on it. If gold closes below 1903, example you're talking, a sell entry, which level you move stop loss to break even. So if we did end up getting a closure below here, see if we can't find something on a little bit of a lower time frame. Nope. So break even would more than likely be once we're up about like 10 or so pips. There's like a couple different scenarios, so let's just draw them up and talk about them, you know, because you're not always going to get the same thing on the chart. So let's say, I'm going to delete these for now so you can get a very clear picture. Let's say we did get this closure below. Boom, you had that fake out play right there. Once it made its top wick, boom, drove up into here and came down, I'd probably be break even by here. Just because like these candles didn't really have, this candle didn't really have a top wick. This candle doesn't really have too much bottom wick, and that's should easily be At least 10 pips from here to here. And so then I would definitely be break even by there, take some partials off the table. But this is a trade example that, like, so when we were talking about it earlier, how much you'd be willing to close, this would be for me a 50%, close 50% trade. Because versus yesterday, we're not moving down in all this chop here on the left. We got clean candles, clean price action, and you're working with the 4-hour candle. Theoretically, if we close back below here, this thing's going to want to drive back down to bearish. Buy or sell? Please, sir, can we sell here?
Why didn't you get into buy, sir?
We're in the red zone. We're in the red zone. Nick took that heartbeat from the Jay-Z Blueprint album. Yeah.
Trying to get our YouTube channel striked.
We in a trade? Gold right now, Scott? Is some dude banging his face on an eraser? I gotta find the video I sent. I think I sent it to you, but the guy who was like on the playground, and he literally just like, he's on the monkey bars, and he like locks his knees into it, and he literally just starts going up and down. He starts banging his face straight into the monkey bars. Gold was exhausted. Should have taken the buys. Ha ha ha. Just wait on it.
Oh man, just wait on it.
What? I know Santiago's doing a little trolling, but let's just say theoretically, you buy on this candle breaking the high or the flip. What are you gonna do once we run into this resistance here?
Right.
Start praying? Oh man, I need a juicer. I needed the juice.
So here we go. Let's just say hypothetically you're in this trade.
Yeah.
Just got activated.
Yeah. This, for example, yeah, and this is why you just wait. You'd be quaking right now because you're like, oh, we're at the resistance. Oh, I don't know. I need price to keep driving. Let me see if I open up
Quaking.
40 more lots. See if it starts driving the market. Yeah, I don't think we're really gonna get anything here today, boys and girls. Nothing that lines up with our plan, at least. Cause I don't know, this isn't really my range to trade in. Cause I would want a 1 hour to close above here. And I don't know, you only got like, I guess this range ain't terrible. But I'd rather just stay away from the buys, gang, for today. 33 pip range. 4 hour candle did just break those highs though, so yeah. But daily candle so bearish. I don't know. We'll see. Oh. Yo guys, I'm taking my advice. Yeah. I know Santiago's strong. What would you do on US 30? So if you took those buys, yeah, so for now it's just nothing. I'd be waiting for US 30. Because we've respected daily lows, broken daily highs. If it closes back within this range here, then it's probably just gonna continue down or just range for the day. But like this was the move for US 30 when we had talked about that closure above 70 points. You should definitely be able to get some good money off of that. The Nasdaq closure below sells though. Once we break the daily lows, look good still. If you're gonna be trading Nas. Yeah, let's see what gold's doing here. Yeah, see, so this is why I would have my little range here. Yeah, and then this is just chop within here too, so it's like I really wouldn't even like trading in this range. It's not my pips. Not my pips, gang. The Quaker Oats, yo. That's so funny. Yeah, and you have a big stop loss. Yeah, 4-hour buys broken.
Who got into buys? I know a lot of you got into buys.
Trade on range 3 on gold. Like if you close way above here, is that what you're saying? Above 19. What is this? 1915? I don't know. I think yeah. Just wait. Just wait on it. Got like 6 more minutes.
Who got in buys? Who got in buys?
Let me bring this over here. So if you wanted to take buys above, way above here, if we end up closing above here, Groomsmith, you should definitely be good by that point. You know, cause then you should definitely have broken or will break this previous daily high. And you got that clean traffic here on the left hand side between here and here. Don't force trades, bro. Yeah, nah. Don't force any trades. Like I said, tomorrow should be beautiful. Tomorrow should be beautiful. Just based off of like the daily, if we could close below. Right? And then if we don't, and it closes bullish and it respects the support, cool. Then we have daily bias, bullish bias, and you got traffic back up in the 1923, which is about 130 pip range. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, it might not happen today though. You know, it's just getting to that time of the New York session where the volume's gonna die out. 8, 9, and 10 a.m. is where you'll always find your biggest 1-hour candles. Let's just back test this, right? 8, 9, 10. Yesterday, 8, 9, 10. Yesterday wasn't that crazy. And then you got Tuesday, 8, 9, 10. Then you got Monday, 8, 9, 10. Same thing.
Scotty, you better
Friday,
close that terminal,
8,
Scotty.
9, 10. Yeah.
Scotty, close that terminal, Scotty.
I wish I was good at doing that, bro. Every time you do it, I like start thinking in my brain like how I want to do it, but I just can't. I'll literally sound like an idiot. I'm not buying. Yo, what is that? Is that a chicken? Z Gamer? Can get paid for that voice. Yeah, he can.
Where's Nick Stu? Is he taking trades off stream?
Nick Stu, are you still here? Nick Stu's in the buys. Nah, I don't even want to say that, yo. Everyone be like, he's in buys? Start smashing it.
No trade, no trade.
No trades.
No trades.
No trade
It's looking
date.
like a no trade day, to be honest.
He's boarding. We got 3 minutes left. You guys ready for the altar? I'm still gonna play it.
Whoever's in buys right now is quaking.
Yep. Little treadmill pattern here today. Went up. Yeah, what? We're literally back to where price was like 2 hours ago. And that's it. Candle bled down with the news. And then 9:30 came and it just came right back up. Yeah, tomorrow will be amazing, guys. We'll have everything fixed with the stream. You know, we'll be in a chat. Yeah. And then if you want to host the Zoom tomorrow again, if you would kindly do that, because I don't have.
Yeah, I'll send you the link tomorrow morning.
Alright, cool. Yeah, but we'll have a fresh day. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Whenever Nick hopped off and I'm trying to set up the Zoom, I had to make a whole Zoom account because I literally never even had one. Had to make a Zoom account. Fired up the stream. I didn't even know if it was working because like I don't have like the chat box and all that. So like the way it works is in case any of you might stream or something someday, is you'll go to OBS Studio Labs and then you have to get a custom link from your YouTube channel for your chat for your YouTube channel, and then I would paste that into I have a it's like a URL I'll get and I'll paste it into something, but I don't have all of that. So yeah, I'll talk to Nick a little later. And really, I think the only thing I have to do is, but I don't know why he doesn't get the YouTube for Kids thing when he streams. So I don't know why I would have done it for me, because that's not an option for me to switch it in the. I'm pretty sure it's like if I go to YouTube, go live. Let me look, and then. Let me double check something real quick. I don't know. I'll make sure we're solid for tomorrow, though. We'll be good tomorrow. Because basically the way that today happened was, yeah, Nick ends the stream. He gives me the keys like DJ Khaled, and then I just start stream, and then we figured it all out from there. I don't think that was too bad. We got it all down to a T. Well, not to a T, but like to a point. Alright. Make sure the restricted mode is off in YouTube. Yeah. So that's why, like I said, I don't have like the actual login to the YouTube channel. So I'll just have to see if it's on or whatever for some reason. But I don't know why Nick wouldn't have a problem with it. But anyways, let's look at this. What happened? Nothing. Even on the 30-minute, boom, still closed below. Yeah, previous candle bullish. Can't do anything here. Let's look at GJ for you who might want to look at GJ. Yeah, GJ is choked up. Nothing here. US 30 as well, closed back within this range. I wouldn't take sells here though. I think that's a wrap for the day.
That's a wrap.
I think most of the moves have happened. So
yeah.
Oh wait, hold on. I gotta do one thing real quick. Create new browse. Hey yo. Oh, y'all see that? The stream ending now. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a day here. No trade day. Kept the discipline. You know, had a little bit of a what do we call that? Like a circus play, circus runaround. A little swapperoo, switcheroo from Nicky Stew to me. But solid day, and I'm ready for tomorrow. Y'all guys ready for tomorrow? Let's see who's even in here. I don't know. I wish I could see the chat, bro. I feel like an idiot. I'm sitting here looking at the maybe you kept the discipline. You will streaming tomorrow? Yes. Let's go to the altar. Yeah. What is this thing? Alright. Let me fire up the altar. And I'll see you.
See you tomorrow, bro.
Why
I'll
can't
see you
I
link
get
tomorrow.
this thing?
I'll see you later, brother. Have a good day.
Alright, yep.
Chat,
Take it
see
easy.
you later.
Peace. Yep, I'm gonna fire up the altar, guys, and yeah, we're gonna. Bro, how do I just make this thing full screen, bro? Alright, this is how it's gonna have to be. I hope you guys like that, alright? So, y'all know what time it is. Bring it out.